fresh out of the shower. Man. Well, you know, you just gotta take your time and, you know, get your hygiene right, man, because there's a lot of drivers out here that's woo-wee. You know, so, you know, wash up every day and maybe take a shower every other day, you know, to keep yourself fresh out here, man, because, you know, you never know who you're gonna run into. And I've ran into a lot of drivers that just, woo, they just don't do nothing about their hygiene, especially their oral hygiene. Their oral hygiene is busted, but, you know, like I said, you gotta keep yourself clean, man. Just try to keep yourself clean. Here you go, dude. All right. Yeah, just try to keep yourself clean, man. You know, whenever you get a chance to, you know, get a shower or something like that, take advantage of it. Because some places you might not be able to, but, you know, all of the truck stops have points. And when you fuel up, you know, you get a free shower automatically off of that. So it's, like I said, just, you know, watch your hygiene. That's what I'm talking about. And if anything, you know, even if you don't get a chance to shower or something like that, you know, at least brush your teeth, because I know the drivers out there, y'all got water. Y'all see that, right? Bottled water, and it's cheap. So I know you guys got water, so I know y'all can at least brush your teeth. I don't even smoke, but Zippo makes the coolest lighters. Might have to start a lighter collection. And like I said, I don't even smoke. Oh, what's up, guys? On this cold Friday morning, it's also payday. Not that much pay for me, but it's still payday. And as you guys can see, I'm up here in Denny's, here in Ohio, on my way up to Mahoofany, Pennsylvania. So I decided to stop, freshen up a little bit, grab something to eat, and make my way back over to Mahoofany. What's going on with me and US XPRESS so far? Also a commenter wanted to know about the school that I went to get my CDLs. So with all that said, let me go ahead and eat, and I'll get back with y'all on that. Stay tuned.
A few moments later.
I am full now, and I'm fresh. That's a twofold for me, man. You guys want to know about the truck driving school that I went to, Tri-C Truck Driving Academy. Big ups to Dale, Doug, and Dez there. 3 awesome truck driving instructors. My time there was awesome. It was very awesome. I learned a lot from them 3 guys. Not as much as I want to learn from them, but just about enough to get my license. So I can't complain about that. Whew. Yeah, it is. It's about, I don't know, about, it's a, you know, this thing been stuck on 31 for the longest. It is way colder than that out here. Let's see. Yeah, it's 29. 29. All right, so yeah, like I said, big ups to Dale, Dez, and Doug, the 3 instructors that taught me how to drive a big rig. Before I got into truck driving, I was the owner operator of my own company. It was a roadside assistance company, and the ERS Lockouts and Road Service. I ran that for a lot of years, since 2009. Started with this one company called Pop-A-Lock back in the day, and that really inspired me to start my own business with roadside assistance. And it was very lucrative at times. You know, I had some good times, and I definitely had some bad times. But you know, later down the line, things change, life happens, and here I am in trucking. The equipment that they had at the school, it wasn't all fancy or anything like that. I believe it was a 2010 Freightliner, and it was ugly. I mean, it was a 10-speed, but it was ugly. It was good enough. It was good enough to teach me what I needed to do for truck driving. And the guys, you know, like I said, the instructors there, Dale, Doug, and Dez, man, they did the damn thing. Yeah, like I said, you know, big ups to them, and they taught me everything I need to know for truck driving. And I really appreciate that, man. I mean, I had a great time, great experience. You know, and like I said, the trucks wasn't all that great, but it was enough to get you to where you need to be as far as driving the truck and what you need to do to pass for your CDLs. Of course, they don't teach you everything, you know, like sliding tandems and sliding the 5th wheel and all that good stuff. But like I said, it was enough to get, you know, it's enough to go and pass and get your CDL.
US 36.
The place where I went to go and test out for my CDLs, it was let me think. It was Atlas. It was Atlas CDL Atlas CDL testing facility, and it was located on the west side. I think it was, oh man, I can't remember, it's so long ago, but yeah, that's where you would go to test out for your CDL license. When I went, I passed my pre-trip, passed my skills. They gave me the alley dock, and I thought, you know, well, alley dock was my Achilles heel. I was struggling real bad with my alley dock, but for some odd reason, when I went to test out, I knocked it out in the first go, maybe, and I was ecstatic about it. I was happy. But when I went to go and do the driving test part of it, it's a channel curve that it's the first channel curve right out of the lot, man. Because when you go down the street, it's that first right channel curve, and I was focusing so much on my tandem tires, so my tandem tires wouldn't roll up against the curve. Totally forgot about my steer tires, and I went up over the curve. Went up on the left hand curve instead of the right. So I guess I was just too excited about the fact of passing my alley dial. But I went back, got back in the saddle, knocked out my road test, and boom, got my license. So my experience with Tri-C, man, it was a great experience. And would I suggest it to anybody else? Yes, I will suggest it to anybody else. Guys want to know about my time with US XPRESS. A few people in the comments have asked me, hey, how's your time with US XPRESS, and how are you feeling them so far? So far, so good. I can't complain much. US XPRESS is a good starter company, especially it's a good starter company for new drivers that's coming out of truck driving school. US XPRESS, man. I mean, I have my ups and downs with US XPRESS. US XPRESS would give you the opportunity to get your feet wet and to get your experience. The first trainer that I had, he was good, but he wasn't. I don't know. I don't like talking bad about people. My second trainer, Greg, awesome. Thank you, Greg, for getting me to where I'm at today, man. I really appreciate it. It was just unfortunate that I didn't have a little bit more time with new drivers. When you get a trainer with any company that you go to drive for, and you get a trainer, here's some tips. Definitely pack light. Train money. Make sure you get the rewards cards. While you with the trainer, man, just be 100. Just be 100. Listen to what the trainer got to tell you, and stay focused on these roads, man. Make sure you stay focused and do what the trainer tells you. Now, if for some odd reason you and the trainer don't get along with each other, then definitely call your coordinator and let them know so they can, unseat you out the truck and, put you in another truck with another trainer. Actually, my first trainer quit. After that, after you get off the trainer's truck, you head back to wherever terminal and you go for your upgrade. My fleet manager, she's awesome. We don't see eye to eye all the time, but she keeps me rolling, and I appreciate that. The only gripe that I think that I have with this company is when they get you up in the Northeast. I hate the Northeast. You would get 4 raises in the first year. If you stay here a year, you get a retention vacation bonus. It's vacation pay without the vacation. Tuition bonus. You'll definitely get, your tuition reimbursed. US XPRESS, I believe, have a sign-on bonus, and if they do, I'm not sure how they paid out, so make sure you ask about that. You gotta crawl before you walk, man. And trust me, I did a lot of crawling before I even got my first 2 steps in. You should look for in your trucking career when you continue to gain your experience. The respect, the miles, and the money. Definitely want the respect out here, because you don't want to be treated like a number. You want the money because, hey, why else would you come out here and live over the road? You want the miles because you're making the money. You know, if you're not getting the miles, you're not making no money. If the wheels ain't turning, you ain't making no money. So you definitely want the miles. And if you do want to come and try your hand with US Express, by all means, come on aboard and use my name and driver number. It's in the description below. All right. Well, that's gonna be it. Thank you for hanging out with me. Season 2 of Day Tripping. Guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. GoPro, stop recording. Say rest in peace to Carrie Fisher and her mom. Wow, that's heart heavy right there, man. Carrie Fisher died over the holiday weekend, and her mom just passed a day ago or a few days ago. So yeah, rest in peace to both of them.